Hello everyone. So now you will learn how to create a new user account. So first, in the bottom part, you will click search and type add user. Once you click on it, you will be brought in this window. So you need to click this add someone else on this PC. Once you click on it, you will be asked with your email or phone, or I don't have this person's sign in information, so let's click this. Let's click this add a user without a Microsoft account. There you will provide a name, enter your password, and re-enter your password. Once you've done with it, you will answer these 3 security questions. Then click next. Okay, so here it is. A new account is added to your laptop. So I hope you learned something for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow this account.